Introduction to Goodbudget bill reminders.
Goodbudget is a popular budgeting app that helps you track expenses and manage bills. Automating bill reminders ensures you never miss a payment. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up and customize automatic bill reminders within the Goodbudget app, making your finances easier to manage and helping you stay on top of recurring payments.
Accessing scheduled transactions.
Open the Goodbudget app and log into your account. Navigate to the Transactions or Scheduled tab, depending on your device. This section is where all upcoming and recurring transactions, including bills, can be managed. It's the starting point for setting up your bill reminders so that every payment is accounted for.
Creating a recurring bill reminder.
Tap on the option to add a new scheduled transaction. Enter your bill details, such as the amount, payee, and envelope category. Set the frequency, monthly, weekly, or custom, to match your billing cycle. Be sure to select the option to repeat the transaction, which turns it into an automated reminder.
Customizing your reminder settings.
Goodbudget lets you personalize reminders. You can choose the reminder time, adjust start and end dates, and add notes for each bill. To receive alert notifications, make sure you've enabled notifications in both the app settings and your device's notification preferences. This ensures you'll receive timely alerts before a bill is due.
Updating and managing reminders.
To edit or delete a bill reminder, simply return to the Scheduled section and tap on the relevant transaction. You can adjust details, pause, or remove reminders as your bills or payment schedules change. Keeping these reminders updated helps you avoid missed payments and keeps your finances organized.
Stay on top of bills with Goodbudget.
By automating bill reminders in Goodbudget, you're making it easier to remember recurring expenses and maintain control of your budget. Review your reminders regularly to make adjustments as needed. With these steps, you can confidently stay ahead of your bills and focus on your financial goals.